Hey guys, another package. I have just been getting packages left, right, center today, but I'm happy I'm getting them today because tomorrow I can just focus on packing and getting ready for Friday. So yeah, today is more of getting my shit together, completing my assignments because I have to be in Dallas on Friday, and most of my assignments, quizzes, all that jazz are due on Friday. So I'm trying my best to finish everything, to complete everything before the end of today. So tomorrow is just going to be me packing, getting ready, all that jazz, and then Friday I'm like off. So yeah, I got an essence. What is this? Oh, okay. So I've been watching a lot of Korean skincare routines, and I noticed they always use essence. I didn't know the one to get. I wanted to get the SK2 essence, but that shit is expensive, okay? The money I would use to buy the essence, I would use to buy a whole wig. So my roommates recommended this brand, the Advanced Nail Radiance Duo Essence, and this is James. Yeah, this is James line. Like I did a collaboration with them. It's also like a skincare slash makeup guru in a sense. So yeah, I can't wait to try this. Just that it's sticky, but I'll try it and I'll let you guys know. Yeah. But yeah, my skincare is complete now, so I don't have any excuse. At first I didn't have my toner and I was doing makeup without a toner and I ended up breaking out. But now I have a toner and now I have a serum. I still want to get another serum, but not now. That could be like later. And now I also have essence. So this is how it looks, and I can't wait to try it out. I feel like myself now because I have my nails done. I wanted to have my hair done, but my wig wouldn't get here till like what, middle of February. So I'm like, yeah, I'm just gonna work with this. Like, it's not that bad, it's just the front. I mean, I have edge control I could use, and yeah, I'm just gonna tie it up in a bun. My dress is ready. Okay guys, so I have finally gotten my body cream, or should I say body lotion. This is I got it from Amazon, but yeah, the one I had wasn't doing nothing, so I want to try this, and I guess I'll give you guys a review later. But I'm so hyped because I mean, it came at the right time. But I'll be traveling. I'll be going on Friday, so I need something that will not make me ashy, you know. So I hope this works. But even if this doesn't work, I still have my oil. I'm just going to keep this here. I have so much stuff. I'm just gonna put this there for now. I have to come back to sort that out, but yeah. Hey Lola. But yeah, this is the one I use, but it's just crap. Like, it doesn't really do nothing for me, you know. I'm so ashy. If I use this, I have to use my body oil just so I don't get ashy. But now I'm going to try this out, and yeah, so this is going to the trash. Hey mama. Trash.
Except that I got a big back and a big flag. No me nobody tell me nonsense, my nigga. She see so cold, my nigga. Me nobody come try cry me a river.
But the other one, yeah.
the hallway was outside.
That's that truck stop stuff. We're not doing that truck stop. Wait, what level is it?
Yeah, but what level is it?
4. No, 4 pictures.
I'm gonna do my makeup. Wait, I'll go to the liquor store.
Yeah, y'all should at this point, is anybody even there? Like,
Nobody's home.
should we just come at 12 when it closes?
No, everybody was asking like, what?
Dresses. I'm not coming.
Let me go ahead and do my face because I don't know eyebrow sheet.
Yeah,
Oh, you want
you
pee?
you sure?
Yeah, I got pee.
Yo, can I?
Yeah, you got pee too?
Yeah, I don't want to drive without no pee.
Wait, let Joseph pee first.
Okay.
So I can go.
So you can go to the liquor store.
Yes, actually. God bless you. I think bathroom is not bad.
It's not bad at all.
This is what I'm wearing. This is it. This is what y'all gonna get out of me. And I promise we're probably gonna be more dressed up.
This happens at every event.
I promise.
Me and nephew show up more dressed than
More dressed up.
every single event. It never fails.
Let me put my morning clothes out like this.
This is my dress.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah, you probably more dressed up
You
than
can't,
every
yeah.
single
You can't
When
really
I talked to
not.
Ada like a couple days ago, I
Well,
said,
how's her
"What
dress looking?"
She told me she didn't even have a dress ever.
So baby. Oh, God. I'm happy with you. You do it. 100%.
I'm not gonna lie, this video of me looks cute. I'm sorry.
I'm happy with you.
I can't even post a video of myself because she knows the dress I'm wearing.
Get me part 2.
Did you show her?
Yeah.
I let's get me part 2.
We literally had to get it approved.
Oh, for real?
Normally, you be white material. Normally, you be full options. Normally, you be full options. You get yash, you get breast, you get sense, you can't stay fine, you can't sabi cook normally.
Baby, gonna, that fall literally made me pee on myself. Literally.
When we're leaving this event, go bring the car for us.
Yes, I am not walking. Okay, I already fell. Even the literally the fall.
Y'all not seeing me till next year. Y'all not seeing me.
I know when we had to push the car like that. Then on top of pushing the car was
You're not saying me to next year.
This is the second time me and nephew have to get out in the cold and push a car and then go to the club.
push the car. Falling for a last, pushing a car on the side of the freeway.
Try some shit.
Oh, you didn't even vlog. It was with Joseph too.
I wasn't vlogging. I should have literally shown my fall.
Oh my god, y'all, so I fell. She was trying to be a real one, trying to push the car because we got stuck in ice. I know we love you.
I peed on myself, honey, for you.
I'm so cold. I cannot feel my calves. What the fuck?
Toes down.
Where's Candy?
Take me back to Houston.
Alright, the baddest.
Yeah, I lost the
The baddest. Yo, we fought for our last, but we're here.
Who's gonna get with me tonight, okay?
she coming. I shed tears because she said she's not coming. Now look, she was here.